I salute you, my viewers. I want to use this opportunity to register that we Igbos like our sister. Yes, we like her. Hear it again, we like her. Now let's talk about that particular trending video. Last week in the news, we saw a kind of people trying to bring attention to a woman that allegedly threatened Yorubas and Bini also in, I don't know whether it includes Bini, okay, in Canada. And quickly, it made the news. It was like the most trending news. It was as if something like that has never happened before. The way people picked it up, Abike Dabiri we had has intimated the House of Representatives, where we have people like the one who want to unseat the governor of Abia, that they should look into it, that they should react. Everybody is calling for her head. I don't know whether some people investigated the matter or not. That Igbo lady, she must be picked up immediately. Immediately. They didn't even allow her to say it before everybody was on her. But what prompted it? Let's not come to that first. But are there something like that? Is this the first time a Nigerian somewhere or in Nigeria is threatening a particular ethnicity? Is it the first time? I don't think so. There is a particular guy in Lagos. Okay, not in Lagos. He's based in UK. He does video from a particular kitchen where you have kitchen knives and the rest of them and fork and spoons. He does video from that kitchen. He says that they should exterminate Igbos from Lagos. He says it in every of his show. Every of his video is based on how to remove Igbos from Lagos. Igbos did not take anything that belongs to him. Igbo bought what they use in Lagos. Igbo bought properties they use. Igbo rent properties they use. Igbos has blessed Lagos. Lagos has blessed Igbo. He wants Igbos exterminated from Lagos. None of Nigeria's minister, none of those in power, including Abike Dabiri, who was as at then Minister of Diaspora, she didn't say, this guy in diaspora, be warned. No, Abike Dabiri didn't see that as, oh, it's normal, Yoruba should threaten Igbos. The guy was in UK instigating Yorubas in Lagos to start attacking Igbos. Nobody spoke about it. There are many of them. We see the likes of wounded civilian saying things that could cause violence. We see the one called Easy saying things, these are from Benin, trying to instigate violence in Nigeria. No one is talking. Now, this lady, I'm yet to even confirm that she said it. I'm yet to even confirm. Okay, let's assume she said it. Now, we are not in support of that if she said it. It is wrong of her to say it. It is wrong of her to threaten anybody. It is very wrong. She cannot threaten anybody. It is very wrong. We are not in support. But what is good for the goose is good for the gander. If you want to condemn evil in Nigeria, condemn it in totality. Condemn it in totality. Igbos are like sacrificial lamb. We are always at the receiving end. We suffer for what other people do in Nigeria. When Hausa and Yoruba have problem, they attack Igbo. Igbo, when Fulani and Middle Belt have problem, or Fulani and Hausa, they will still find a way of attacking Igbo. Igbos are always at the receiving end. Nobody is talking. A lot of threats against Igbo life. Some told Igbos, leave the north. Nobody arrested the person who told Igbos to leave the north. Recently, a group arose telling Igbos to leave Lagos and the south. We never heard that any of them was picked. You ignore such threats. Now, an Igbo lady has opened her mouth. Abike Dabere, a journalist, former staff of MTA. Quickly, they have taken the matter to House of Reps so that they summon the government of Canada and quickly, pick her up. Probably she would have been picked up, who knows? What was behind her action? Nobody cares. Meanwhile, like we said, we don't support such acts. She's a sister, we like her, but we will not support that act. And hence you see the title, we like her. We like her. We like her. She's our sister, we like her. We cannot wash her away. Now, I'm still going to reel out to you histories of threats against Igbo. During a particular election in Lagos, maybe the election that brought Ambode or so, the Oba threatened to throw Igbo people into the canal, the lagoon. Nobody cautioned the Oba. It was just social media noise, this and that. They say it freely. The other day, an Igbo man threatened, it wasn't even in defense. He said he will call IPOB to help him defend himself in Lagos. They picked him up. Up to today, we have not heard that he has been released. Nigeria. I pity this country. This country cannot survive. Yes, some people say pray. When some other people are busy victimizing some other people, if you want Igbos to be part of this country, you treat them equally like other people in this country. It is very unfair when other people calls for the head of Igbo and nobody speaks up, including the one who called himself number 6 man in the country, the deputy speaker of the House of Reps. People like that have existed for long. They don't speak up. If you push it, they leak shit. Now, for the first time, I think so, I'm seeing it. For the first time, I'm seeing such, if it actually happened, from over there in Canada. And Abike Dabiri remembers that she has connection. Quickly, the House of Reps was summoned. And I hope we have House of Reps members and people in the Senate. I want them to attack this issue. I'm not telling them to support this lady if she said this. No. I'm telling them that the equation should be balanced. We want equal right and justice. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. What has been done to people who threatened other people, including the wife of the Presido before the election? It was like play, but things like that are capable of catching fire and burn. A lot of people have said a lot of things. No eyebrows were raised. Wounded civilian, or what is it called, kept on instigating Bini people against the Igbo. Saying things that are capable of. When we come to redress it here, some people will say we are spewing. No! Most of what we do here is to redress something, to balance the equation. I like what Wycliffe said. We don't want no peace. We want equal right and justice. We don't want no peace. We want equal right and justice. Whenever we are injured, you ask for peace. Calm. Oh, you people should calm down. If there is equal right and justice, you will not injure us and keep saying peace, peace. What we want is equal right and justice, not peace. There is wayo in peace. We are trying to say, treat everyone, every member of this country equally. Igbo lady has said it now. Then it became, it is now amplified. So much emphasis on the statement. Meanwhile, a lot of people have been saying it carelessly because it is against the Igbo people. Nobody says anything. During the election in Lagos, the chief agbero of Lagos, MC Oluomo, threatened the whole race. If you are not ready to vote these people, look at the threat during the election. Nothing happened to him. He was still announcing himself, going to everywhere. The DSS sees him. Probably they will be shaking hands with him, MC Oluomo. The Igbo lady tested the water a bit. Okay, maybe I don't believe she's even serious. I don't believe she's serious. She wanted to say what others have been saying. And let's see how it feels. And the whole country is already noisy. Nigerians or Nigeria, unless you make things right, it shall never be well with Nigeria. Unless Nigeria is ready to make things right. Unless Nigeria is ready to seek for equal right and justice, it shall not be well with Nigeria. You cannot be asking for favor, for God's blessing, and you are subjugating someone. Do you know how the Lord's Prayer goes? Go and see the Lord's Prayer. Forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. That is again like, do to others what you want them to do to you. Jesus said it, emphasizes that several times. That is like, if you mistreat others, don't expect people to treat you well. So Nigeria cannot ask for any good thing from God because Nigeria is witch hunting some ethnicities, especially the Igbo. We are not in support of what she said. No, we cannot support that. It is wrong. But have you set the record straight? A lot of people have been saying that. What did you do? What did you do? This is where we leave it for now.